Namaste, welcome to Home #Life. Today's video is all about those cleaning products that I absolutely love. Take a look. I always believe that work smart rather than work hard, and to keep a clean home every day is not easy. But if you have smart cleaning tools, then you can sparkle your home within no time. So in today's video, I am going to share with you those cleaning products which I use every day to clean our home. My first love goes to these microfiber cloths. I have total 6 microfiber cloths. I used this one to clean my laptop and our TV screen. This blue one I used to clean all our sliding glass doors in our home. On a side note, it is said that microfiber cloths are not environment friendly. It can vary from company to company, but do your research before buying them. If you want to go for single use or want them to be replaced or discarded every year, then I would suggest don't go for microfiber cloths. I'm using this blue one for the past 8 years, and because of the maintenance, it seems as good as new. Also go for dark colors than lighter ones because lighter ones get stained very easily. Recently I have purchased this 4 set of microfiber cloths. They're good quality. I will give product link in the description box below, so if you wish you can check there. These two I use for daily dusting. This one is for bathroom cleaning. And this one is to clean my kitchen counter and hob. This one is my another favorite cleaning product. It's supposed to clean dishes as it is called as dish brush, but I use to clean our wash basins with it. I'm using it for 3 to 4 months now, and I really love to clean the wash basins with it. The liquid you see here is dishwashing liquid plus water. Then just press its head a little and the solution will come out. Now onwards, you can clean your wash basins every day without much hassles. With this cleaning brush, I absolutely love to clean our kitchen sink. It has a button. If you press it, you can pull the handle out. Basically, you can adjust its length. It helps to clean every little corner which is hard to reach, but if you don't clean those nooks and crannies, they will accumulate dirt over the time. I will definitely recommend this cleaning brush for your kitchen sink. Also, you can use it to clean your water bottles too. As I told you, we need smart cleaning products or tools to maintain a clean home every day. I am able to get rid of one-time use plastic straw and posted a picture for the same. Many of you previously asked me how I clean this stainless steel straw. So here is the brush. It's called pipe cleaning brush. I will put this product link in the description box below. So if you are interested, you can check them there. With the brush, cleaning this straw is really easy. I know probably many of you use this glove duster for dusting your home daily, but I specially use it to clean our window grills. I literally hate cleaning these grills, but with this glove duster, it is very comfortable to clean those small sections of each grill and doesn't take much time to clean them. I really love this flathead handle duster. It's so helpful for everyday cleaning. It has a short handle and it has a twine to tie it, and you can remove the duster to wash it. I just wet it with little water and clean whatever needed. I use it to wipe our bathroom wall tiles and the upper portion of the tall cabinet and also the sides of the cabinet. Its flathead is really helpful to clean these areas in a proper manner. I brought it from D-Mart long ago and I really like it since then. This is another favorite duster for my everyday cleaning. You have seen this handle duster in previous cleaning videos. It is great to remove cobwebs or spider nets, clean dust from your walls, clean dust from your furniture. It has a moderate length handle which is very sturdy. Also, this outer dusting cover is removable. You can clean it. It catches all the dust very efficiently. My another favorite cleaning tool is this brush with stick. It has an option to make its head flexible and it came with another scrubber attachment. I clean bathroom wall tiles with this scrubber. Its long handle helped me to clean those out of reach tiles very easily. Only thing I didn't like is the stick handle's quality. It's not that great. You have to handle it carefully. With another brush attachment, I clean bathroom floor tiles. If you have back pain problem, then it can really be your savior. So which cleaning tool you like the most? Let me know in the comment section below. Also be sure to leave a big thumbs up and share this video with your loved ones if you think it's going to be helpful for them. Please subscribe to Home #Live for more videos. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.